Yes, I absolutely found value in the presentation of Y.B.Normal because it resonated in my students the need to have goals, to execute their goals, and to continue to pursue their dreams despite where they are currently and despite whatever obstacles they may be enduring at the current time.
3 words that would describe Y.B.Normal's presentation would be motivational, challenging, and inspiring.
Accountability feels like an attack when you're not ready to learn the lesson.
The biggest breakthrough that I found from his presentation was his background. Sometimes you may already think you know someone based off of their bio or where they currently are, but his background, having endured so many different challenges and overcome so many different challenges, was truly the pivotal moment for me in his presentation. It resonated in me that I'm from the community as well, and that unfortunately we all have some hard moments in our life, and with hard work, determination, and goals set, there's nothing that you cannot do.
Someone who is willing to work with Y.B.Normal, my advice to the person is that's the right choice and the better choice. Because being with such a person, you always be motivated and always be encouraged that never too late in life.